be saying that.
Don't say, yeah. Yeah.
Y'all at the house.
Oh.
Yeah.
I need dry grass. But I think I'm gonna make
me a new weapon.
Hopefully this will keep the fucking spiders away!
Okay, I put all my loot that I got from that little run in there. It's a lot of ant parts.
Alright, how do I?
There's a fake spider up here, guys.
It's swole time!
What the fuck is throwing down fake spiders?
What the fuck?
It's a stuffed spiderling.
We can upgrade the Omni wrench if we want to. Shovel, the hammer. We just need. What the fuck is that?
Just
What's
thought I
going
just
on
made
at
love.
home?
Oh shit, boy! I'm finna make something.
No thanks.
Let me
Nope.
see.
It is one shot in hell, yeah.
One shotting. What is that? Red Ant Club? No.
There should be enough parts for it, honestly, in the chest. I think if there's shit in the chest, though, you don't have to take it out of the chest. I think you can just build it. Yeah, you can. You
You
definitely
put
can.
into the code wrong, but
I don't.
If it's in the chest, you can use it to build. You just need to stop.
It wouldn't let me build it. I needed the ant's head.
2354.
Well, there's plenty of those in there. Unless I ain't took them off of me yet. I killed a lot of big ants. A lot. Need to have you and Jasmine both full armor. Like, I need helmets, chest piece, and leggings.
I told you, you can't
Yep, I'm
run from
trying to
me,
get
you
that.
foul beast!
So we go
Yeah,
for,
baby, yeah, baby.
I'm finna make this Red Ant Club.
Jasmine, how's them powerful?
With new flexible legs, the
So-
yoke girth action figure
It
can
does
ride
look so
anything!
fucking good.
Billy Hog single out.
I hear things and it makes me want to cry. Alrighty. I think we have to cut grass. We have a.
With all these web weavers I'm fighting, I'm gonna be able to make
Doesn't
me
beat-
fucking spider armor soon. I think it said it needed like 4. Am I third
What's this
one
shit
already?
crawling underground?
This bitch killed it so quick.
Look, God! Look! Look! Nice!
Bottle that up and make a killing.
That was awesome!
This man needs his sleep.
This man needs his sleep.
Take your best shot, Bugs. Tastes better when you hunt it yourself.
You would think the spiders would give us food.
Yeah, I know, right? But nope.
What you making now?
Me? Could I be making nothing? I thought I could make something.
What you got all on? You got you a helmet, a chest, you got you some legs? No, you still need some legs. Alright, what about you, Justin? You got legs and you got chest. So you need a helmet. So she needs a helmet and you need legs.
Yep, I just need, do you have a grub hide and some dry grass? I can go get the dry grass real quick. And I'll have the legs. If you got the materials to make a gas mask, I got the, what's it called, the weasel for you.
What is it?
The weasel,
I
the
got
gas
everything
mask.
but that stink bug part.
Stink bug, Oh, dandelion. Need to cut this one.
What? Huh? No, that's just my shit. Still ain't folded it. Did you not take it off my bed?
Nothing like H2O. Protein is essential.
Oh, I see one more grub hide.
We could bottle that up and make a killing.
Oh.
is our next water break?
Get out from underneath my feet, bruh. That towel in the dryer now.
Yep.
Take your best shot, Bugs.
How the fuck did you just...
I wouldn't have made it this far without my lucky.
Oh, that was fucking hilarious. She just fell out. Oh. Let me see. I think that's.
You shocked to see me on the game, ain't you, Lacey? Wait your butt. You look like you just gave birth the way you walking. Yes, girl, them spiders was after.
I need thirst needles and mite fuzz, man. Yeah, thistle needle. You got any?
I have a shit ton of them.
Give them. Drop
I
them,
need
please.
Mite Fuzz.
And I need mite fuzz. Drop.
11 thistle needles.
Give me them all, please.
What's wrong with you?
Make arrows. Thank you. Let me be in your fucking ass,
I got them
yeah.
when I climbed that big ass thistle thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now when y'all get like weed stems, they go right here. The weed stems go on this one, and the grass planks go on these two. This one's full though.
Well.
About to start building a base.
Who made this? Who made this
Hey,
stuffed
boy.
spiderling? Alex?
I did.
Oh, Jasmine? Huh?
Hopefully it'll keep the rest of them away.
I'm
Okay, why
dead.
did we put all this shit right here in the middle? Don't we need to build a base?
Well, we just got it right here.
Why are all these materials just laying on the
Nothing.
floor?
Where are you at? What are you doing? Your hatchling has 3 hours remaining.
Good. Can't wait to
Oh,
have
hell
my
no, I
ant.
had an ant head. Where the fuck is that ant head? Oh.
Helmet. There's a helmet over here. Come here. In this second one. Second storage chest. There's a helmet. I clipped it. I got everything with the armor. I just need some fucking fuzz mites so I can make some arrows. think you only get those from.
All suited up and ready to go.
I could have been told you that, Bookie. How many times have I told you girl
you, Alex?
me in for anybody that can get her high or drunk or have fun with her?
Mike,
Just like her
How many times
mama.
have I told you that?
put a knee.
I ain't never really cared too much for Gail, so I ain't got too much to say about Gail. Me and Gail been done got into it plenty of times. Cause Gail expect me to be quiet like I'm a little kid, and you're not finna talk to my grown ass like I'm a little kid.
Just looking, I promise.
It doesn't let me see what armor you're wearing. Why?
Jasmine, stop moving.
You got the red helmet, upper.
She needs
Yeah,
a
you
she
need
needs a
legs.
vest. She needs vest. I think she got legs.
She got the vest on. That's the vest. Just one arm strap. The ant.
Oh.
She's using the red ant arm guards.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jasmine. Take these. And then you equip these. You'll have the full set. What you're wearing. Well, all she's wearing for legs is fucking grass. That's what I made. That's the cheapest one. You got grub on. You got red ant, and I got acorn. Yeah. I got this cool ass thing. So. Teeth loose.
I don't know. Fucking yeah. Oh, that hammer.
Now everybody's all set.
We ain't talked to her neither.
Oh, we're on, girl. If I'm tired, y'all must be exhausted.
Don't pull that hammer out like I
right?
didn't come up out the cave with 20 fucking red ant things for you to make that hammer.
Huh?
This one's for you, Prometheus.
Alright, I got
Take that
this video fucking ready. I just need to this shit to finish. Yeah, you need to help me. I'm trying to get my YouTube.
This
People,
man
you need to get people.
His eggs is gonna
subscribed to my
hatch when we
YouTube
wake
and
up.
my
Ski.
shit. I am.
Look at it. It's
I don't
ready
know, you
now.
need to
Look
follow
how
it.
you see that bitch grow. It's hatched. Look, it's ready.
Content game.
Hatch it, baby.
Not my.
Oh, yeah. I was talking to you, baby.
I do. I do be live streaming.
Oh shit.
Now you need to go find me another ant and fucking put it in there.
I know, I really do.
Hi. Don't be too afraid.
Yep, see the
Not yet.
storage for the videos.
Your Scabby 2K was so easy
What
to hack into.
the fuck is this?
It was a PA
Yeah, but
system.
like, let's say I.
So you
Oh,
finally
y'all are
hitched
also
a
being
ride.
shot right now?
Congratulations,
I'll be
you
recording
got
on
my
the phone.
attention. Don't think I'll let you get comfortable out there.
Okay. That don't mean nothing. A gaming YouTube, exactly. But I'm not gonna just sit and game too. I just said sit my fault. I need to go.
Yeah, where'd you get that ant egg? I want one.
That giant long cave I was gone in for a very long time.
No, I really need support on my fucking
Alright, I'm
shit.
finna kill. Help me kill this bitch. Let me pull out
I
this.
know where you're at.
Right here. Kill this ladybug.
I see Jasmine. Ladybug.
I'm right here. Come on. This ladybug. She's hurt. And she is angry.
Established when we
Red ant
stay
power.
I got a heal.
Fight. Fight. Damn, I'm doing a lot of damage to her, y'all. Hey, watch it when I bite her. Fight.
one more down.
Give me that stuff. She dropped.
Whoa. Whoa. My ant's picking it up on its own.
Oh. Good boy.
Disabled.
Huh?
Shit, I don't want him to be picking shit up. What is this?
Let me heal. Baby girl, you need to heal.
Sorry.
It's clean, but I worry about my mineral intake.
Yo, let me use your phone. As a matter of fact, we're here now. Everybody I know, I'm having to do this.
Better? You heard it yourself.
Scared. Alright, we need ant. Where's the objective? Over there. Let's go to the objective. 41. Oh, this bitch is on.
Yeah, but it's in the cave.
It's right here.
Protein is essential.
Oh, we got to talk to this bitch still.
Gosh, I thought you might be dead. What happened out there? Tell me more. How did it feel to ride on an insect?
Beat shit out of that dog.
Well, that is... Are you... Oh, you mean her... Look, I know. My, it's up then.
Come here, Ronnie.
I think the ant hill is this way.
It's science.
Yep, here's the ant hill right here. You go in here. Look at that. Very far back. There's an egg.
You got an egg? Your fucking spider ate an egg. I mean, your spider. Your shit ate an egg? What? I'm coming though. After that, we can go to the objective. Ah, damn, you're going under, nigga. Nigga, you're down. Oh.
What's your phone number,
I
Ronnie?
didn't know I could eat mushrooms.
What?
Science!
Hey, you'll get a text.
Nice.
Let me know what that is.
I ain't gonna walk around in the dark like an idiot.
Okay, I'm here at the egg.
This shit is so far down, like.
It is.
What is
I might be able to get them for y'all.
This is so nice. This shit
I
is
can
so
get
nice.
one egg. I'm going. I'm dipping. I got one egg for somebody.
Yup, I'm coming to get another one.
The cave's filled with big ants, and they're gonna be ready to fight all the way through. I made a shortcut for you though, since I was able to break a wall right here to my left. Yeah, that right there is a shortcut, but there's a lot of big ants that way.
Alright, let's see if I can find
Alright,
the
Jocelyn,
egg.
come take this egg to the hatchery.
It's
Might
fucking
honestly be able to
cool.
come back and get you one to
Huh?
us. Easy.
I'm trying to find the eggs.
Oh no, they're deep down in there, and there's only 4. No, there's a certain number.
Alright, deep down in here. Let's keep on going.
Yeah, you'll know. They're red. They're red eggs.
That we actually need.
We need the ant. Let's talk them out. Damn, them bitches straight up attack you?
All of them do. They're colonies. They work together.
Oh shit, boy, I might die. Oh. Okay. Red ant egg. Nope. Red ant egg. I don't need a red ant egg.
What the fuck is a boiling gland?
There's so many red ant eggs. Not a soul. Oh. Dude. They got this shit in like an incubator.
Yeah, I told you there's a lot of cool things in there. Alright, Justin, here you go. Your egg.
But
It is
how the
incubating.
fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to get this shit out?
I don't know where you're at. The ones that I found were just on the ground. And this
No.
that was on the ground.
Oh my god, the one
Okay.
I'm looking at looks so cool.
How
But
do you
there's
feel
a
about
red.
all this red ant stuff for the armor and the weapons you built. I was killing everything in here, Tobias.
But there's only red ant eggs. Does it have to say soldier?
Yep,
Okay, that's what I figured.
they're red ant. They're red eggs.
Well, yep, I'm looking at a different one, a red one, but I can't grab it because it's in something. When you come over here and see it, you're like, oh, shit.
I don't even know where you're at.
Dread rot. I need a dread rot. Let me kill this nigga.
What is this? I didn't come in here last time. Huh. A lot of stuff.
Nice! I killed him! I killed the red soldier. Yeah. Nice. I feel so alive, I feel accomplished. I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it.
You're not here,
Yeah.
so.
Where you at, nigga?
You can leave the cave. I got the egg.
You got the eggs? Well, I want you to come look at this shit, nigga.
I don't know where you're at, dude. You're not popping up. It's like Jasmine yesterday.
Oh. I see you.
Ooh.
I don't
Oh,
see
then come to
you
me.
or Alec.
I'm coming to you, but like, you gotta look down.
I'm not dealing with that. That thing's freaking me out. Even though I'm the reason it's there.
Come here, bitch. What? Don't touch me ever again.
Where is Tobias?
No, let me see your phone.
Alright, I'm coming up now.
Nah, you
Up
talk to
some
her
more.
as
I
long
went
as you
down,
want,
down. I just kept on following this fucking
Being jump.
Oh, you're down more. You're down more.
though. No, I just wanted to.
Shit.
Yeah,
Dude,
me-
there's
give it-
so
too.
fucking much. Like, I don't even know if you came here. I found a water cooler.
This
Yeah,
is the one
I know
I
where
got
you're
right
at.
now. I'm
I know where you're
recording
at.
this one because
That's
it's for my
how I filled my
stream
water
today.
up.
Me, Jasmine, and Alex.
I found a golden tooth, my boy.
Trying to.
How do I assign slots?
This tooth needs a level 2 hammer. I can't break it with the hammer we got. Alright, that's good to know. That works up. Alright, Tobias. I'll probably end up flying by you on my giant ant.
Well,
I'm dipping, my boy. I got your ant. I got your egg.
okay.
My egg is still.
I'm gonna build a dread rod. Yeah, you did fly by me.
I just unlocked a
Where
whole
I'm
bunch
at.
of
This
stuff.
ain't even. It wasn't even. What the fuck is all this? Yo, it's on my way. Oh no.
Hold on. I think you went. Oh my god, I think we're going the wrong way. We're going back into the cave. I'm lost. I'm lost.
Whoever's food that is, I'm putting it in these chests.
Oh no. I'm fucking lost. Well,
Ew,
I
this
don't
is lit, right?
think I'm getting out of here, boy.
Be another day.
anchor at to get down there?
Bro, I think I'm going deeper. Like, Alex, you still in this cave?
Yeah, I'm going out though. I had to figure out which way I had to go. You can get lost in this thing too.
Don't make me
Yo,
like I
please
used to.
wait for me. I think I'm finding the way though. Never mind.
I don't even know if I'm going the right way, dude. I'm just breaking through walls and shit. Oh yeah, I definitely am. Okay, good. I'm at your water cooler. Oh, I just done a big ass circle. Yeah. So this.
Let's see where this way takes
The 9-volt battery.
Oh my god, my armor broke. Okay.
Science.
Give me that pink goop.
Found some science, boys and girls.
Where the fuck am I?
Alex, I think I'm right here with you, bro. Dude,
I'm
we're
water.
so lost.
Go ahead and fill up on water. Fuck it. Yeah, we are. I am. I know I am.
I'm lost as a motherfucker, and I'm fucking running into 2 ants I think you were fucking with earlier. Oh shit, boy.
Okay, maybe I found the exit.
Oh my
Maybe.
goodness, I'm stuck. I just don't know where to go, bro.
Hopefully I found the exit. Hopefully. Nice. Great. Beautiful. Sunlight. Daytime.
Hey, I want to get out of this goddamn cave.
Somewhere. Oh, I'm at the exit. Fuck yeah.
How? When you come to these fucking little train, these 2 little train thing, where'd you go? Left, right?
Huh?
Oh man. Oh man, I'm
I don't know,
lost.
dude. My torch ran out a long time ago. I just followed the wires back. In a 9-volt battery and shit.
Is it yours or mine? Put one up, bro.
Dude, I ever hit my goddamn. What's wrong with you?
Gonna be on your phone for a little bit. Trying to subscribe to my YouTube. Make as many Gmails.
No, I went wrong way.
I'm ready.
Y'all, we have not unlocked shit of this fucking thing. Faye, look at the map. Look at my screen.
Oh my.
Bae, look at the map. Look at the screen. There's so much left.
Oh, there's so much shit to do, bro, and I'm lost in this fucking
got
cave.
In and out. Did you see it? I want to kill it.
I want to kill it and get it tied.
I need to cook something to eat.
I'm about to die of thirst.
And just follow the wires.
I did.
Follow the wires. Oh my god, I'm finding my
Y'all need to come find me.
finding my way out of this cave. I'm making it. I don't know if I can do it, but science.
There's a raw science for that.
I'm not going that way, buddy boy. I don't know why I went this way.
I got like
over here or no.
I got like 4 videos out of this stream.
Kill.
Post on YouTube.
I just gotta wait to go back into the cut so I can run down this.
But
thing.
yeah, that's how I'm.
What is it? 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 What?
Little white spiders don't scare me. It's the big ass orb weavers. You can hit a dab if you want.
I hit a dab.
Yeah, you can hit a dab.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Everything we kill has something that we can use.
Why did you do that?
That's why Tobias was so adamant on killing the ladybug. Because it's got good armor.
Why didn't you give it to me?
Wes, your egg's on the side of my ant.
Where is home at? That's where I'm not understanding.
Where we are.
You're at home, Alex?
Yep.
We are.
Gotta run through the spider patch. Come on, motherfucker.
Once we sleep again, Tobias, you'll be able to throw yours up there. We will probably need more acorn shells. Also, I just made this.
Y'all, I'm about to die.
Why are you about to die?
Because I'm thirsty. And these fucking spiders won't leave me alone.
I don't know if this...
Come on, motherfucker. Come on, come on. Stupid bastard. Yeah, he was hiding behind the ladybug. He knows. Look at all these little fucking mice. There's a bunch
They won't even let me ride him.
It won't?
By the way, I'm about to die.
So I hope you didn't put this one in there.
Never mind, I'm not.
And yeah, I can't touch nothing. Like I can't grab that egg off of him. I can only pet.
Yeah, and the egg thing, I don't understand. Okay, here you go. I can't really do nothing with the egg until
doing this on a lot of people, so.
Let's see.
Yeah, I was trying to pet him.
No, you can pet him. I'm trying to figure out how to do, like, get in his inventory.
Hey.
It melts right off the exoskeleton.
I can cook this.
Motherfucker.
He's pretty good. He stays where you tell him to stay at. He does what you're supposed to do. I can even send him home to the nest. Let's sleep, Tobias. It should be on the ground. Once we sleep and wake up, it'll be here. Okay, I'm just standing at the hatchery waiting. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me go grab an acorn. Go get more acorn pieces for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm
I don't
ready
know how
to.
you keep finding all these acorns. You just zoom
Oh.
past me, Alex.
I'm gonna go use the potty.
Yeah, no, the ants.
Hey, you need to come here real quick and get this dewdrop.
I'm okay. I'm good.
Fuck you too.
I'm lightheaded. I'm lightheaded. Motherfucker. Ooh.
When's the last time I ate anything?
Last time you ate.
Ma'am? Oh, I don't care.
I'm finna too.
Been a what, man?
Yes.
Okay, where is home? Right here.
No. You, alright.
No, 'cause my little glow thing is glowing. Oh, my little lamp.
Can't melt glass.
Look what I built, man.
You know how to make glass?
What? Oh.
Right that way too, yeah.
Y'all, I'm about to steal one of y'all's pieces of food. I'm about to die if I don't eat.
Hold
Hold on, I'm trying to eat. I'm about to die.
Better than most protein shakes, actually.
Alright, Tobias. I finally found an acorn. Should be enough for yours.
That should be good. Well, like, you can use, basically just use.
Why are you messing with my stuff? I was fine with how it was.
But yeah, sand, you gotta heat it up.
That look better? You can see
But
more.
it's more like freezing. Freezing.
Your field of view put it at 120 though.
Yeah, I got grub
Y'all
pie
need to
and
make a
things.
canteen and start slurping up dewdrops.
You better have some grub pie and be ready for it.
But no, like you heat
Ready
the
for what?
glass up. If we heated the glass up to
Tobias.
but
Ready for
Yeah, but I
what?
got an
I
ant
don't
too,
think
so what are
that's
y'all...
what.
Your ant's already raising.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
You ain't got
I
nothing
doubt
to worry
it.
about. In the morning, your ant's ready. His
But
might be if he don't
you
get
can
no grub
like
hide.
that's how they form it.
Like,
They
you
keep
won't be
it
able
up
to put it
to
in
a
the
certain
hatchery.
temperature.
I should have grub
Have
hide.
you ever watched Glass Me and Mac?
I got 2 of them if you don't have it.
Yeah.
Yep, that's all you need.
They just fucking.
Here we go.
Because I was
It's cool.
killing hella growth at the beginning of the game.
Cannot sleep
Y'all like
until
my
21:07.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Got a
waiting.
little bit.
Blow in it. Yep, you can blow it up.
Yeah, I do. You like the water thing? People can start putting water in it too.
How do you
Empty,
put
as you
water
can
in
tell.
it?
Take
It is.
a canteen and tap to deposit. Yep. And then look, there's this big ass stick on the front of it that tells you to empty the fullness. Alright, Tobias, get ready. You ready, Tobias? Put that egg
What?
down. Let's beat this ladybug's ass.
Oh, hold on, I'm hitting it.
I'll beat his ass by myself.
Jasmine got you.
Let's go.
Jasmine, you need to. I'm gonna. Weapon.
Oh shit, my aunt wants to fight. No! I don't need my aunt fighting. No.
He's gonna. Whoever hit him first he's gonna attack the whole time.
Bitch, I'm knocking silly with my club. Fuck you. Night night.
Whoop. Oh, here you go, Alex.
What? What are you saying to me for?
What's your pass?
I think I
What's your
picked
phone
up
number?
your ladybug head.
It's
Nah,
okay.
you're fine.
223-5226.
Man, hurry!
Ooh, sounds like somebody's in trouble.
Get in here. Mama, do not get yourself in trouble, please. Sit down, pretty girl.
Use it once. Only
Sit
use your
down
phone
somewhere
number
where we
once.
don't
Alright,
get
we can
yourself
sleep
in
now.
trouble.
Rhythm is telling me it's
God damn
time
it.
for bed.
Let's see here.
The penis is hitting a dab, that's why he's not night-night. I'm about to go put him night-night.
I have no idea.
It doesn't when we wake up. Anybody else see the floating egg?
No.
Okay, Jasmine, come hatch here.
What's that?
Soldier
How's it?
each one made it through a grueling ant boot camp.
There's your egg.
It might even be
There's
as
your
intense
ant,
as my
I mean.
preseason training.
It melts right off
There's
the
a water
ice
drop over
skeleton.
here for somebody.
You ready? Let me hit
I need a hide
Where we
Don't worry
go?
about my
and an acorn. What the fuck?
Grub hide. I got the acorn.
I got grub hide.
Here.
Bae,
Acorns for you.
can you please pay attention to this? Alright.
Yep.
Thank you.
Everything's
over
right here
here.
you need.
Thank you.
Don't really worry about this one right here.
Is this a smell? When
You
did
said
this
no?
random ass smell get here?
I just want you to, when it gets
Mhm.
I always thought there was something prehistoric.
Ow! Ow!
Just not cut
Yeah,
out
we
for a
don't want you around.
fast-paced modern life.
Oh yeah, Jasmine, look, the ant, he's great at helping carry all this shit.
Would
So
you
you turn
kindly
gathering
pick
mode
these
on,
up?
and he'll just pick it all up. So when you got your ant, he can hold 12 things at a time too, like 12 big leaves. He'll pick up anything that's on the ground that needs to be cleaned. Oh!